ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ಥರ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 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 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ subconscious mind changes your mindset actions and habits which brings you in contact with the new people situations and circumstances ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಹೊಸ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ you want to build a house right so suppose let us take you don't have money ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು okay how creative visualization works you have a site but an architect like me can think beautifully because I can visualize ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ my bright brain is active so I can visualize ನಾನು ವಿಜುವಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ how can visualize how unless the walls are built they cannot visualize okay so if you can go on a visual journey as if you already built a house you got it already ಅದು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮನೆನ ಇದೊಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆ ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಗೃಹ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರೀವಾತ್ಸವ ಅವರು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಎದ್ದಿತ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀವಾತ್ಸವ ಅವರು ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಡನ್ 2 ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಕಾಲಾಯ ತಸ್ಮೈ ನಮಃ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕೇಳಿದಿರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ವೆರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ you can visualize is going any cost any money visualization that is the only thing which is not taxed please be careful otherwise if the government knows they will put tax for that also adukku ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬಹುದು please be careful and the kind of maybe you wanted a car you wanted a good wife like Aishwarya no don't worry you can visualize you will be going near to Aishwarya Salman Khan okay so it's like visualization beautiful visualization technique it is a meditation only but add visualization kalpana shakti ಅಷ್ಟೇ and ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ has to give loan bank has to give loan somebody has to give you something everybody's labor has to cooperate the whole cosmic things has to happen to make your house built in a class way so that's all you need so what you have to do is you have to send positive vibrations not negative I can't do this I can't believe this man ಅವನು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವನು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ everywhere you are bringing negative I don't know ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ every minute every day bank refuses to give loan the labor's unrest your project will be 6 months to 1.5 years 2 years with all difficulty this is Deepak Chopra dalli law of least effort how many people have heard of law of least effort in the 7 spiritual laws of success Deepak Chopra ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ but with minimum effort can you produce a maximum result that's what is miraculous thinking that's what is about creative visualization okay so when you are doing meditation ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡುವಾಗನು ಥಾಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ದೇವಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಥಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು as if already happened okay it's already happened I've made it ಮಗಳು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ 25 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತಾರೆ why don't you go on a visual journey as if a big businessman has tied knot already okay there are 100 ways of doing it you want to do IAS athletics players Sachin Tendulkar has used creative visualization okay don't think underestimate visualization kalpana shakti ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ so please do that it's like seeing the film again and again ಯಾವ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ shit no very old movie you are not updated latest ನಾ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ have you seen the older films like Rajkumar and all we never used to get bored how many number of times you have seen like Shankar Guru and all 25 times I have seen. I don't get bored. Every time I get excited. Every time, you know, the double roll, triple roll. Some movies, like especially Rajinikanth, you don't feel like going again and again. I used to, at least. So it's like seeing a film. Our cinema, nota, you become like that. Okay? You can visualize that whatever you wanted to, the end product. Shivan Covey ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, begin with the end in the mind. Okay? Even an architect like us, we make plans before we build house. Okay? ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಂಬಂದೇ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. All that is done with the end in the mind. Okay? And next, it's like positive emotional daydreaming. Enjoy daydreaming, but don't overdo it. Okay? You will send to Nimaz. Next. How to do? Simple. Meditators ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇವಕಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಭಾಗ್ಯ. Very easy. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಬ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Quiet corner ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ early in the morning, maybe your bedroom or maybe your living sofa, comfortable place. When you're traveling, you can do it, but don't do it when you're driving. Okay? You will be in hospital. You know that. You're doing driving, you do. Hospital ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You will have a lot of time to visualize in the hospital. Okay? Don't do that. Waiting for your turn in the queue, especially when you're and you tumba VIP, so you're waiting in the airport for hours together. You know the Indian flights, they delay. Indian Railways, they delay. So you are sitting, cursing the railways. Instead of cursing the railways, do your homework. You have 2 hours to visualize. My God, what this fellow is doing? They should get confused. The driver. I have done it. I have written books. I have written chapters in airports. Scribbling down paper. I didn't have paper. I bought some old tickets and all. I started writing, and 1 hour, 1.5 or 2 hours, I was just thinking on how to go about this article. So you can do wonderful things, but we lack this. Sitting leisurely on the sofa instead of seeing TV serials. Don't see. Mukta. Sorry, आगोगे ना? हिंदी which is famous, आपके हिंदी में कौन सा famous है? Are you from India? So you are a good person like us. Yeah. Okay. Hindi, ಯಾವುದು famous serial? Yoga. Okay. Because I don't know, because most of the time I don't get remote because I can't afford to get. It will be with my children, okay, or my mother. And worst case, my wife never leave me. Okay. It's good. I go spend a lot of time in a corner. Everybody will be surprised. 6 hours, 7 hours. What do they? Germany versus Brazil. They all weeping. I think there's some funeral that happened in their house. You are actually nothing to do with that. You develop the championship instead of people. I always tell people, don't watch TV. Always try to come in the television channel. You should be inside the screen, not outside like this watching. Okay? You should be so famous. You should achieve so much. People should interview. That you should watch the others. Okay? That you try. Okay? And today my 7,000 YouTube videos others are watching, more than a lakh. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Whenever ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. I'm answering your question. Okay. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Leave all the things which you don't want. What do you want? You get. But the problem is, we are kept religiously what we don't want. Okay? Mukta, ಮೂರು ಬಾಗ್ಲು, 6 ಮನೆ. These are all important for us, but not creative visualization. Sorry. Before you go to sleep, next. How to do creative visualization? I'll guide you now. Again, a little meditation. Okay? Again, it's simple. Meditators are very simple. You don't have ₹1 ಖರ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಫ್ರೀ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಪಡಬೇಕು. Sit, close your eyes, take a deep breath. So you know how ನಮ್ಮ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ 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 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಶೂನ್ಯ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Then visualize the outcome vividly with emotions. See yourself in the outcome, feel the happiness when you achieve that goal. ಈಗ ಒಬ್ಬ, just think of an athlete who has won 100 meters run. How is his feelings? He'll be like this. He'll be like this. First rank in your SLC or whatever. He'll be like this. He'll be, I got it. Something like that, no? So why don't you bring that emotion at least? See, there's a management rule. Okay, please, I am a management student. Fake it until you make it. Okay? But don't go on going faking forever. Okay? Fake it for a reason. With conscious faking you can do it. But if you become a fake, then your mask will become permanent. Don't cheat yourself. Okay? So, with emotions, you have built a house. Oh my God! Oh, everybody is coming. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಗಳು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ದೇವಕಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. Oh my God! See, she's so great. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Just think. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸರ್, ಶ್ರೀವತ್ಸ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ, ಫ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಪ್ಪ. See, he's so happy. Okay? Like that. Why don't you do it? There's no money. Okay? Will you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
If you say no, I'll stop. Yes. Okay? Do it with passion so that subconscious mind gets the clear picture of it. Don't do with unclear picture. Hazy ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, confusion ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Okay? Car has 4 tires, but you can't visualize a 3-tire car. Okay? Don't confuse your mind. Otherwise, you'll get a heart attack. So. Okay? Don't visualize in a wrong way, please. That can make you or break you. Okay? And time is 15 to 20 minutes. I've started a new thing called Success, a picture book. So, either on pustaka tagoli, blank scrap book can be taken. Okay? Adalli eno bardirtalla ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 200 ಪೇಜ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬುಕ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ದೇವಕಿ ಅವರು ಅಳಿಯನ್ ಚಿತ್ರ ಯಾರು, ಶಾರುಖ್ ಖಾನ್ ಅವತ್ತು MBBS, ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಹಿಟ್ಸ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಶ್ರೀವತ್ಸ ಅವರು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ, ಅದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ತೆಗೆಸಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಕ್ಕದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ತಗೋತಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್. Look at it. Look at it. Clap loudly, not least. Right side affirmation. Left side pictures, right side. Because left side is watched by the right eye, which is right brain. Left side is logical words. I am successful. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am very famous. I am great. What I can do? Who is there with me? If you go like that with Patriji, you know how many people have got. Have you met Patriji, madam? Have you met? Be careful. Don't tell world is full of nothing will happen. So what if you do meditation, world will change. He may say you get out. He's so positive all the time. Yes. Even one more meditator is added to this planet. He is a great revolution. Okay? Correct? ಒಬ್ಬ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Even if 2 people like Bhagya and Devaki and maybe my friend Shivananda, ಶ್ರೀವತ್ಸ 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಇದೇ enthusiasm ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 400 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಇದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 4,000 I have addressed people, 10,000 people also. The same enthusiasm, if you can bring it, it will happen. Next. Yeah. You can do this. See the collage. See the collage. See the collage. The beauty is you have to be very. The beauty is this collage. It costs you nothing. Creative visualization. The hero of the moment, Narendra Modi. Give a big hand to him. Okay. Next to that, Parliament is there. But next to that, Vidhan Sabha is there. Next to that, I am there. You can know where I am visualizing. Okay. Patriji is looking at me, and this photo has the maximum likes in my Facebook. And I have put my photo next to Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಾವು ಏನು ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Our destination is one. First is this. Next is that. Okay. And the next to that, my 4 books. 4 ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು, Zero to Hero Part 1, 2 in Kannada, Empty Cup in English, The Kali Cup in Kannada. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವಾನಂದ್ ಅವರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸುದೀಪ್ ತರ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Maybe if anybody who want to become a budding heroine here, you can visualize. Or you want to marry, visualize. Okay, that can be done. And if you want to go on visiting travel like Egypt, I have gone to Egypt just purely out of visualization. Okay, I have gone. And you can go with Patriji in the month of October. And you can see a photograph here in the center. The family, the mother is visualizing the house, the child is visualizing a toy, our maga bandu cycle, then the father is a car. The women want security, permanent. Correct, no? Permanence. Some sort of a assurance. I am going back to that house. You know the birds, nature of birds. You know, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಗೂಡು ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಗೂಡು ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತೆ. You know the female bird builds the nest. The man, the other one, going around here and there. They don't want permanent nest. The female birds, they do it. So the thing is, they want some sort of a permanence. Everybody visualizes differently, okay? And the thing is, if you want to visualize a house like that with a swimming pool, please go ahead, do it. And this is the photo where this time I'm from Bangalore South, in the Gayatri Madam from Chintamani. Such a simple person. We have asked her to contest Member of Parliament against Nandan Nilekani and Anant Kumar. Give a big hand to her, okay? She was not confident in the beginning. Afterwards, she now ready for any challenge. And now you can see that I'm signing. I think I have visualized 100 times. I should give autograph to people. Okay? And today I am giving. And car like that. My son is there. And maybe that is the nomination process. Nomination. It's all visualization. My social service wing. This is the recently released, and this is my wife and myself with the award, that is Asia Pacific Award for the Pyramid Valley for our company, and I'm sure that is dedicated to Patriji on this Guru Purnima day. And I have to thank him. The last is my mother and my family. And I'm sure. See, if you look at this whole collage, and this is the youth wing we have formed. Okay, Shivanand, you are also there. Our future is youth. We have lost interest in old people. Yeah, though I am 49, 50, I don't want to mingle with my age. I want minimum 15 years younger to me. Now I am working only with them. Because by the age of 50, everything gets solidified. So, hey, this world is full of cunning people. There is a hope, please, there is a hope. Please go ahead and do your own collage. Will you do it?
Yes.
Say loudly here.
Yes.
So this collage doesn't cost any money. You can think miraculously, do 10 things at a time. Okay, I have done it. You come to my Zen center in Bangalore. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. Who have visited my center? Zen. Who have not visited my center? Please give your phone numbers to me and please come to our center and see how to run a center. Okay, we come to such beautiful topics we discussed. Spiritual counseling is done, library is there. The same amount of space is dedicated to my architecture and engineering office. I dedicate the same amount of space to the propagation of meditation. Okay, so that is what I wanted to do in my life. My passion is different, but I may not earn by speaking like this. Okay, I need not earn. Having spent such a quality time, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಗುರುಪೂರ್ಣಿಮೆ ದಿವಸ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, that is worth crores and crores of rupees. Okay, I earn in my business. I don't want to earn anything. I want to only do my work and spread. So definitely this miraculous thinking and my experience can definitely trickle down to you, and I can do it. Why can't you do it? ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ? ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೆಲವ್ರು ನಕ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ. They don't want to solve the problem, like Kashmir problem. India also don't want it to solve. Pakistan also don't want it to solve. The ordinary people, nobody has any problem to solve. You take it from me, within 3 days it can be solved. Don't worry. Or caste system, nobody, no problem among the people. But only heads, they have a problem. The priest and the politician, they have a big problem. The Osho says beautifully, priests and politicians are the big sins of this society. Okay? And we are going to change the system. Okay? The Lord is not outside, it is here. Okay? ಅಲ್ಲೂ ದೇವರು ದೇವರಲ್ಲ, ಮರದೇವರು ದೇವರಲ್ಲ, ಪಂಚಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ದೇವರು ದೇವರಲ್ಲ. The great World Sanctuary reformer Basaveshwara, the great son of Karnataka, says there is no God. Even if you make a God statue in stone or a wood or a metal, it is not God. And where is the God? ತನ್ನ ತಾನರಿದು ತಾನಾರೆದು ತಿಳಿದೊಡೆ ತಾನೇ ದೇವ ನೋಡದು ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. He began to the great Basaveshwara. Basaveshwara, people who are from outside, I would like to say, he is one of the greatest son of Karnataka, 12th century reformer, spiritual, social reformer. Okay? And he says, Kalabeda, Kalabeda, Musya Nudiyalu Veda, Idira Haliyalu Veda, don't tell lies, don't thief, don't criticize others, don't glorify yourself. This itself is internal cleansing. It itself is ಇದೇ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಪರಿ. This all, don't put up masks. Remove those masks. Become real. Become real. Become real. Mohan?
Yes.
Am I talking to you? Say loudly. Yeah. Well, I come across so many people with not, I really want to reach out to all, but it is not possible. So through like this forum, I can give some hints. Friends, your problems are created by you, not by others. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. Okay? You have created your problem, but become a part of the solution, I say. Henry Ford says, become a part of the solution. Okay? But you are a part of the problem. You will be with the problem. Then you yourself become a problem. ನೀವೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. Okay? ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. Next. Okay? Thank you, Masi sir. You have begun to both of the senior masters. Okay? What's the time now? What's the time?
11. 10 minutes 11.
5 more minutes. Last one. ಈ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಳುಗಳೇ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Those who want to get the final message, you be here. Otherwise, you can keep. I want more youngsters to be here. Don't go. Then the final thing I want to. Okay. My 7 masters, Guru Purnima. I thank all my 7 masters. My journey has been. I am now 49, running on 50. I don't know whether I look like that. Do I look like?
No.
Thank you. Thanks. Okay. So this is again mental makeup. Okay. Previous one. Go back. Okay. Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. I started doing meditation at the age of 15 with transcendental meditation. I was called as a waste body when I was in school. Okay. Third class, 211 marks. Other 36%. And favorite marks is borderline is 211 to 220. Every time I used to really struggle hard to get it sight from my parents. When they were in happy mood, I used to get it sight. Until they realized, what is ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಏನದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು report card. I still have those report cards. But I changed. Thanks to meditation, it changed my life with transcendental meditation by Mahesh Yogi. Okay? Then I went on to Ramakrishna Ashram. For 5 years, 5-6 years, I was continuously associated with them. And I used to bring about a lot of change. I never knew this kind of good English at that time. Because I am from a village called in a district called Mandya, okay? And next to the Bangalore. There is a village atmosphere. I brought up in about 5 years, 5 to 7 years. And then I met Swami Sukhabodhanand ji. How many people know about Sukhabodhanand? Great, thank you. I met him when he was like a flower. I started with his journey. He may be 10 years older to me. And he did his first program called Life Program, Living in Freedom and Inquiry. I have done that today, and I don't know how many programs I organized for it. And people told me they are all using me. I am telling it's better they used me because of that work I am glittering today. Okay? No, nobody used me. I wanted to get that experience. Okay? Otherwise I would have remained a village rock. Okay? And ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಕಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 7 ಜನ ಗುರುಗಳು ಬಹಳ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Osho, I have seen Osho. You may be surprised. In 1989 May, I went to Pune to see Osho. Osho ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀನು Osho ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. I was at the controversial desk at that time. I was in the final year engineering. I was almost a rebel in the house. Why you have to see Osho? You didn't get any other sannyasi, guru. And we used to do all silly things. Osho, Ambala. Crazy guy. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ? Whenever somebody used to tell you go like this, I used to go there. Somebody said sit, no, I won't sit. Stand, no, I will sit. Sit, I will run. If thousands of people are going, I will go alone here. Patriji went like that in the year 1990 alone, and today not alone. Okay, he is not alone. Is he alone? I was also like that. I met a great person, Subhash Patriji, in the year 2005, and that's it. And from the day I have taken off. Okay, and the first 6 gurus have really prepared me for something big, but I never got a field to play. Okay. ಮೈದಾನ ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಆಟಗಾರನಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ gave me a big field, freedom, exploration, so many things, responsibilities, bigger responsibilities, higher responsibilities, so that it is in the beginning I used to think, can I do it? Today if I look back, the pyramid has from a crawling child it has become a beautiful bride today, and we are so much connected spiritually here. Also, I am connected in the other prachar and all. My 7 masters photos are there. So I thank from the bottom of my heart all the 7 masters, especially Patriji. The last 9 years, given a deleting, addition, computer language, deleting and addition, pasting, cut and paste language. He has done like that. But sometimes he was very harsh with me. But most of the time he has made me realize what kind of a real brain in me. He has really openly he has criticized, and he has corrected then and there, and he has forgotten. Okay? And it's such simple language he calls. And today, a morning, he has written an article in Bodhi Vrikshadalpati that Guru Paramaguru, the mother and father. The mother is loving, the father is little strict. Both energies are needed, he has told. So he has both the energies, loving of a mother and a little strict of a father. So far more energies are with him, and he wants that to be with us. That's the message he has given in the paper, I saw it in the morning. Next, hello, Kishore, what happened? Okay, I told about this, I think I don't have to repeat. Next. You saw the Dashavatara I have. People can't be Chautara you are in. Now I am in the Avatara of trainer. Okay? Now I am trainer. Next. Yeah, there are books, beautiful books. One is the imagination is more important than knowledge. Very simple. Okay? Instead of describing elephant ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ 1000 words ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೊಳ್ಳಿತ್ತು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಾಲ ಇತ್ತು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಇತ್ತು. The elephant had a trunk in the front, its belly was too huge, it had 4 legs, which is like that. You don't have to describe, just put a photo of, or just write a photo of elephant, that's all. So imagination is great far greater than your knowledge, theory knowledge. Visualize and achieve by Ramsden Sazen. And another master, creative visualization is a spiritual experience using your thoughts and imagination to change your life in a positive way. Next, there's no time. Creative visualization by Shakti Gawai began to her. She is the one to change the way we think about visualization. Because creative visualization by Shakti Gawai is the biggest seller, highest sales. Please buy that book, which is there available in the bookshop. Along with that, buy my book also, The Empty Cup. Okay. Kannadadaru 0 degree. I am using little sales technique, don't mind. Okay, and so I don't want to go deep into all this. So you know, energy is magnetic. One energy, hage one ayaskanta tara ella increase agutte. How you aura get. So you should become that. Start imagining simple things, color of the wall. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Kannu muchkoli. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಬಾಗಿಲನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಥವಾ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. You have entered your road and you have just parked your vehicle. You are entering your house. Just visualize you already entered your house. Entered your you just gone up by staircase, and then you went into your living. You sat down. You asked your wife or somebody help. Just can I have a lime juice? She's cutting the lime juice and she's making a juice, and she gave it to you. You drank, and then you went to washroom, and then you came back and she started doing something which you wanted to do. Just open your eyes now. Just open it immediately. Don't think. How many people could be able to do that? Please raise your hand. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು? ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ? ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗೋದು ಆಗಿದೆ. Because these are the things which you know. What is the color of the carpet? Okay, but when you can able to visualize your knowing whatever you know, you can visualize even what you don't know. You can visualize the Mercedes car, black with grey upholstery, sofas, whatever it is, and you're changing the gears and going like a zoom speed, and you're in the 7th heaven. You can visualize. Okay. Go out, side nearby things like forest, mountains, snowfall, driving. Visualize big things you want, like wealth, success, or relationship awards. Okay? Relationships, very important. You live in a palatial house called hotel. Everybody comes in different time, have food. Okay? And they sleep in different rooms. And the only Annadata and the only greater grandparent and grandpa is the TV. Okay? The TV is the one member which brings everybody together. If you given a chance of the either TV or itkomudre adu baralla. Please don't do that mistake, because some people have seen 2 TVs at home. Please don't do that. At least come together at least in front of an idiot box. Okay? and anything you can awards. Please next. Logical mind, yakagala, fear of failure, lack of imagination, yak madakagala. So set your goal, create a clear picture, focus on it, often give positive energy to it. Give positive energy, don't give negative energy, okay? Give positive energy. Next, Yadbhavam. You all know that. Okay? Next. These are the visualization. When you close your eyes, please close your eyes. I'm going to check. Please close your eyes. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಾನು ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Everything is coming to me easily and effortlessly. ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Minimum effort I am putting. Everything is happening to me very beautifully, effortlessly. I am a radiant being filled with light and love. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಅಯಸ್ಕಾಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳಕು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ನನ್ನ ಇದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಎನ್ಲೈಟೆಡ್. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನೀಡ್. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀ. ನನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನೌ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಬಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೌ. ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಗಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷಣ, ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ. ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ನೌ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ವೆಲ್ತ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. So just open your eyes. ಈ ತರದ್ದು ನೀವು you can write your own affirmations. Got it? How should be affirmations ಅಂತ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Present positive. No future. I will be happy. You will never be happy. If you can't be happy here, somebody will be thinking this, he's too audacity, you don't know the struggle which I have undergone, okay? Even if you see, I am writing my autobiography, called Chitte Hidida Huduga, okay? The boy who caught the butterfly. You'll come to know. Not easy, without the turmoil, without the suffering, without the downfall, without the, all that, you will never get mature, okay? Don't think. Don't analyze by the talk which I am doing today. You should have seen me 25 years back. Okay? So please know that this all works. Books, please take these books. And next. Okay? And last. Thank you. And now close your eyes, start visualization. One famous statement: stop the logic, follow the magic. Okay? Tantra. Tarka. 1+1, leave it. I know the magic. You are the biggest wall for your success. I'm master. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಳಕಳಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಗೃಹಿಣಿಯರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಂಡೆ ನೀವು. You are blocking your own success. You are blocking your own happiness because you are using this called mind. You left this heart and soul. Okay, and you can follow me on FB, Pyramid Praying, or YouTube. Many videos are there, more than 700. And you can, most of the topics under the sun, Patniji and I spoken on it. You can please visit and send your friendship, because I would like to be your friend, not somebody XYZ. Okay? Because we are all positive guys, positive people, positive masters, pyramid masters. I'm like they don't mind. And so this ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ವಿಷನೈಸೇಷನ್, ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಎನಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಟ್. Anybody has question? You have a question when you are going to stop the talk? No. Okay. ಈಗ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. 1 minute, not over. Please visit my Zen center. Those who are in Bangalore. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕೈ ತಿಂತೀರಾ? ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವಾನಂದ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 4 ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು 0 to 0 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾ ತಗೋಬೋದು. And there are some 1 or 2 ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಇದೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I will give it away. Okay, please take it. ಆಮೇಲೆ what else? Thank you. Please go back to pyramid and meditate. Don't sleep. Please, for heaven's sake. Sleeping in the pyramid will not give you any benefit. Bottle, if the bottle is like this, if nothing will go here. The bottle should be like this. No, water should go. The cosmic energy will go like this. It will not flow like this. Okay? Don't snore there. I have seen people snoring and disturbing others. Please don't torture your body. Please. They are ICU in other. Don't convert King's Chamber into ICU. Okay? It's not an ICU. It's not a gone case patients ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೋಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Please, it's not going to happen. Do some counseling, take some orientation, okay? Take some orientation, do some hard work, consult somebody. Don't use your own brain, okay? They're all logical. He is asking me to do meditation. Maybe he is hypnotizing me. Some people are so clever. They'll think. I watched so many people. They'll think this fellow is doing something. He must be hypnotizing me. Again the logical brain. So please remove all this. At least for me, I use logic. That comes in the front. It comes the magic. If you don't have magical thinking, you cannot. Logical end will not happen. So we have a great magical leader, maverick leader, miraculous leader, Patriji. Give a big hand to him. Let us thank him. Let us sing again. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you. I request our friend Shivanand to come and give a word of thanks.